Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A18 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode. Of course, if you want, you can switch to the video one. However, it is not necessary because the options connected with the video and photo are in the one section with general settings. So all we have to do is to tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner, and then let's scroll down to the bottom to find this video section. Let's tap on the video resolution, and as you can see, we've got two different options, 1080p or 720p. So obviously I can only set 720p. Let's simply tap on the option like to use. It will be immediately marked and notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.